Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up day number 14 of my Crafty Advent Calendar. So we're over halfway through our Advent Calendar. I guess 12 would have been halfway, so we're at day number 14. So there's 24 total windows to open up and I just can't wait. So let's open up day number 14 and see what's inside. Let's just see. Will it be a stamp or die? Or embellishments? I'm just gonna guess die. We'll see if I'm right. Ah, I am right. I did not peek, I promise. Oh, pretty. Okay, so here we have, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, let's just open it up to get a full look. This die is the S1-105W14. And let's see what's in there. So we have 2 sprigs. Oh, I almost thought this was a duplicate, but it is not. They are just a hair different. You can see the size is just a little different. This one's just a little longer, and this one has a flower on the bottom. And then we have here, what would those be? Oh, those would be some bell-shaped flower parts to go behind. So you would glue that on behind the open flowered area. Hopefully I said that right. These would be really sweet to put with a wax seal. So if you're not familiar with the wax seals, I'll insert some pictures here in the video, but they're adorable and they're really fun to use. But these little sprigs or floral sprigs are perfect for adding just a little bit of green or just a little bit of flowers behind something that's a little more solid. Maybe it could go behind the happy birthday or something like that. Anyway, thanks for coming today to watch day number 14. If you're interested in seeing some more days, subscribe to my channel and let me know what you thought about day 14. Did we like the die? Which day has been your favorite so far? I'd love to know. Anyway, looking at day 15, I'm going to guess that it's an embossing folder, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm only basing that off of the size of the door because this was an embossing folder in day 5, and the shape of the door looks like day number 5, but who knows, maybe they're just throwing me off and tricking us. I don't know. Anyway, come on back for day number 15 tomorrow. Bye.